Where?
On my feet.
All right, feed him, baby.
Man, let's try it out. I put a bunch over there. He's gonna get you.
Whoa! Whoa! Wow, you guys are feisty. All right, let's watch them eat.
He's gonna get you.
This guy's trying to bite me. Whoa!
Yeah, he's chilled out now, I think. Maybe. He's coming for you.
They love the apples though, huh? Don't you do it. Don't you do it.
Are we friends now? Y'all have quieted down quite a bit. You were yelling at me earlier. Man, that guy pegged me good.
Where at?
My feet. Right on top of my foot.
Did it hurt?
It didn't feel good. I mean, I'll survive, but I don't want him to do it again. You want more? That was a yes. Does she want to get too close?
Yeah, let's try to give some to the other guys down there.
Oh, yeah. He's chilled out quite a bit.
Yeah.
He's like, oh, you're not a threat, I guess. I think maybe that's like the guy.
Pretty birds.
Protect the ladies.
Yeah, maybe. They're very territorial for sure. So this is Brook Falls. Is this a park or? Look at all the birds in that tree.
I like it better out of the water. They weren't really eating them over there. Hi.
Let's see if these guys want some.
Not apples, but they like the other stuff.
Did you say this is a park?
Huh?
Did you say this is a park? Is that a turtle out there?
There was one up close.
Oh yeah, that was a turtle. I just saw him.
Right in front of you. Oh, he's like right in front of the ducks there.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Ah, such a cool place. Dang, they ate it that quick. Oh yeah. Man, they love that, huh?
There's two turtles.
Oh, there's one right here on the right. See him?
Yeah, there's two there.
Ooh, 3 of them.
4. There's a party of them coming over.
Turtles are coming closer. Yeah, I have to get more apples.
He's wanting something.
Oh, look at baby. Look at him.
Like,
It's pretty big size.
There's quite a few of them. There's another one coming over.
Look at them all out there. All their little heads. See them?
Yeah. They're peeking up. We've got the food.
If you look close on top of the water, you can see the little turtles' heads peeking up. That guy comes flying in. He's like, what am I missing? Oh, wow, they're battling. But he's showing his dominance on that guy. Wow. This must be like a little clan right here, huh? Probably will eat the oatmeal.
Being real cautious now.
Yeah. And the ducks are so pretty. I love their orange eyes. Look at him. Look at his tail. See, these ducks are like looking around, like, what's going on?
Guess they prefer it in the water. They're like, oh, forget this. There's funny for everybody. He's kind of afraid.
Look what he's doing with his feathers.
Looking bigger.
Yeah. Oh! That guy's having none of it, huh?
You know, keep busy. We got the attackers coming up behind us.
Wow, look at all the colors in their feathers.
Yeah. Oh, that duck was like half of it was underwater. Look at him. His butt's just sticking straight up in the air. Huh. This guy's not afraid of nothing. Look at this he's getting.
Well,
He's next to you. Where's he there?
oh, he's hissing. I wonder if he's talking to those ducks over there.
There's fire ants.
Huh?
There's fire ants. They dropped a whole bunch right there, so they're going to camp.
Well, they're not attacking us anymore. I love the guys with the red head. Huh?
This one behind me is patiently waiting and asking. Oh, they're like drowning that duck over there.
Where?
Jeez, both of them are ganging up on that left foot left.
So many turtles in this pond. These guys have bad attitudes, huh?
Yeah, they do.
Pretty ornery. These geese, is that what they are?
Yes. Maybe. I was giving it to him. Greedy jerk.
The duck's not going to go near that. Well, I love this one with the red head. This guy's awesome. Yeah, let me try to get this guy a little bit. Yeah, he really is.